Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Excuse me, is this seat 14A?
Yes, it is. You can sit here.
Thanks. I'm Charmaine.
Nice to meet you, Charmaine. I'm Jack.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. Are you also going to Mauritius for the weekend?
Yes, just a short trick. I needed some time to relax. What about you?
Same here. I live in Cape Town now, but I've never been to Mauritius before. I'm so excited.
Oh, wow. I live in Cape Town too. Small world. But I'm originally from Durban.
That's funny. I'm originally from Johannesburg. So we both live in Cape Town now?
Yeah, for about 2 years now. Cape Town is beautiful, but I miss the warm weather in Durban sometimes.
I agree. Cape Town weather can change so quickly, but the beaches and mountains are amazing.
Very true. So, what are your plans in Mauritius?
Just to relax, swim, eat good food, and maybe try snorkeling. I booked a resort near the beach. You?
That sounds perfect. I'm staying at a beach resort too. I plan to read, swim, and do absolutely nothing.
That sounds like a real vacation. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me. I like solo trips sometimes. What about you?
Also solo. My friends couldn't get time off, so I decided to go anyway.
Good for you. Sometimes traveling alone gives you more freedom.
Exactly. You can wake up when you want, eat what you want, and explore at your own pace.
I agree. Plus, you always meet interesting people along the way.
Like you. It's nice talking to someone on the flight. Makes the time go faster.
Yeah, much better than sitting in silence. How long are you staying?
Just the weekend. I fly back Monday morning. You?
Same here. Quick trip before going back to work.
Work can wait for now. Do you travel often?
Not really, but I try to take one short trip every few months. It helps me stay refreshed.
That's a good idea. Life gets too busy sometimes.
It really does. I hope Mauritius helps both of us reset a bit.
I'm sure it will. Sunshine, sea, and no emails.
Exactly. So, what's one thing you really want to do there?
Swim in clear blue water. That's my dream. And eat fresh seafood. You?
I want to try parasailing, if I'm brave enough, and maybe just enjoy the sunset.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I might try that too if I don't chicken out.
We'll both be brave. It's a weekend to remember, right?
Right. Here's to a fun and peaceful trip.
Cheers to that, Charmaine.